Cavite. Well, good evening everyone. My name is Eliza, and I am from the town of Cavite. So what are the things that I should be proud of my town? Well, when it comes to product, the Cavite is known from making or creating the figure of our saints, God, Jesus, Mama Mary. But when it comes to our personality, well, aside from we are known to be a good cook, well, we are also known from being friendly and hospitable. And how should I promote this? Well, just simply, it's simple. Just stand here in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy and proud that I am from Cavite. That will be all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's now have Anna of San Fernando.
Hey, good evening everyone. I'm Anna C. and I'm proud to represent the city of San Fernando. Well, one thing I'm very proud most of our city is not only are the lanterns during Christmas time, not only the food we make out of extraordinary ingredients such as frogs, but it's the discipline and the order in everyone. And I see this in the project that our city mayor has currently applied to our city. It's the no jaywalking policy, and I don't know, I feel happy whenever I see people following that, and it just proves that Fernandinos are very disciplined, are very into the law, and because we want to make a change, we want to improve ourselves, we want to make things better. This is what I'm most proud of being a Fernandino.